Hello guys, I'm Kesaprasad Menali and today I'm going to show you about early stage of CNC machine project. In this project I use Arduino Uno. This is Arduino Uno board. It cost about $11 to $12 and this is my case. I drill here for attaching this stepper motor case. I use 3 stepper motor, 1, 2 and 3. This all I manage, this case and this stepper motor from the old DVD ROM. This is my case. Okay. This we're gonna attach some wood or plywood, some kind of layer, and over there we're gonna paste some paper, and here we are going to attach some pen head, and it's going to write on that. This is a Z axis, this is X axis, and this is Y axis. And for power supply I use this SMPS. I use this because it is cheap and it is provide a variety of output voltages, like 3.3 volt, 5 volt and 12 volt, so we don't need to draw power from another power source for our project, and it's actually cheap, right? And I use this from my old PC. And for testing a stepper motor I used H bridge IC. Its model number is L293d, and it is only compatible with 1 stepper motor, so you cannot use 2 stepper motor. So for the complete project we need a 3 stepper motor driver, and it cost about 250 rupees in Amazon. IC means Indian currency, 250 rupees, so it is cheap, right? And all the source code for this testing your stepper motor is provided below my video. There is a link, just don't forget to click it and watch it. And all the pictures and the step-wise guide is in that link, so don't forget to check it. So please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. And one more thing, you need to you need software for this Arduino Uno. It's called Arduino IDE. So you have to paste that source code on that, and after that only it is going to work, right? So don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you for watching. Just using Arduino for directing this stepper motor, and some gear board, and this connection goes to my laptop, and this is a program just as shared below the link, below my comment box, I think, right?